This is Camilla the cat. I think she's turning 17 this year. Or 18. I think, no, it's 17. And she's blind, unfortunately. She really, really likes pets. She's a Burmese. So she's been alive longer than me. Oh God, she's really old. And see how she just did those little shudders? Yeah, her kidneys are failing. Poor Millie. Or Camilla. Whatever. Sometimes I call her Camilla, sometimes I call her Millie. Whatever I choose. She always likes this chair. I don't know why. She's always loved this chair. Maybe because it's next to the fire? I don't know. But yeah, she's super silky and soft. And I cuddle with her every single night in bed. To tell that she's blind, other than her running into things, her pupils are always really big. And they're always a bit cloudy. I guess that's just what happens to old cats. She looks like she's got a bit of something else in her. She's not completely Burmese, but yeah, whatever. Still love you just as much. I'd love you if you were a tabby cat. Okay, maybe not, but yeah. Bye, Camilla.